Boracay at the moment, July 17, Thursday, 5 p.m. Joel Jos Andrade here. At the moment, we are in White Beach Station 1 here in Willy's Rock.
Paano kung kunin mo na ako, sino na lang ang titingin sa mga maiiwan ko kaya nagsusuma mo? Pakinggan, akin na lang.
Galing ha? Ang pangalan mo?
Lawrence, sir.
Lawrence. Ginagawa mo talaga yan?
Matagal na, sir. Pangalan ng grupo namin, TDM, Tres Demonios. Yung tawag sa amin dito, Buhay ng Gangster. Yung kanta na yun, kami gumawa nun.
Ah, talaga?
Oo, sir.
May Facebook ka ba?
Meron, sir. Lawrence Zibisca po. Nagawa namin dito, sir, photographer.
And that is why I love walking around Boracay. I get to meet a lot of different people from all walks of life, like Lawrence. Willy's Rock is actually named after the owner of a former hotel here in White Beach Station 1. And guess what's the name of the hotel? Willy's Hotel. This has been Joel Jos Andrade with Lawrence. Thank you for watching. Bye.